Porsche's new sporty electric SUV will be an off-road range-topping machine. I am pumped for this, Will. This is one of the most exciting developments in EVs for me because of how much I like the Taycan and how much I know that Porsche moves way more SUVs than they do cars. So when it comes to adoption, like they are going to move a boatload of these things. You better put your order in now.
Okay, sure. I heard it's going to cost a lot, though.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, so maybe that will actually... But the thing is, it can because the demand is going to be stupid.
Yeah.
They're looking to build on the success they established with the Taycan EV after producing the 100,000th model in November. The Taycan is expected to be followed by an electric Macan in 2024, an electric Porsche Boxster or Cayman two-seater in 2025, and finally, the electric Cayenne is planned to roll out in 2026. All right, so anyway, you have some time here. So yes, the price is actually going to be a whole new price point. Much like Apple's Ultra, they're going to look at the Macan, I guess, as the more like the Model Y, I suppose. Mm-hmm. And then this would be competitive with like the Model X, but then even more so where it's kind of competitive, maybe even with, what is it? Like the Ferrari SUV or the Lamborghini SUV. Like maybe not to the same extent, but possibly close. So that is a scary thought.
That looks cool.
Price-wise.
Is that what it looks like?
No, there's better pictures. I gave you 2 articles, but you picked the one that had worse pictures.
Okay.
I think, no, you don't want to put Macan. You want to put Cayenne. The Macan will come first, but the one we're talking about here is the, there you go.
Cayenne E.
No, it's none of these. You have to put electric.
Oh.
Yeah. And there should be some better images then. Yeah, those are still concept renderings. I've seen better personally. They kind of just put the front end of the Taycan on an SUV there, which is not bad. I mean, it's pretty cool render to put together. But I don't know. I don't want to go looking too hard. People can look it up and see what it looks like themselves. But it will be a big seller, I think. Kind of almost regardless of price because people are hungry for these things. And there isn't like a crazy stupid premium electric SUV right now, right? The stupid premium SUVs at the moment are still gas powered, which would be your, that's a kind of a cool look as well. I think that looks more what I would want it to look like.
It looks very sporty.
So yeah, I don't know. Like it's the biggest seller for Lamborghini is the Urus, and then for like even Ferrari put an SUV is kind of crazy, and then Porsche is just faster to get to the electrification, but it's going to cost a boatload.
Yeah,
but it'll be off roading, and hopefully it has range.
Yeah,
I hope it has range, performance, and range.